All right, ab exercises. Everyone likes to do them, get them tummy nice and tight, six-pack, etc. This exercise is something I never used to like to do for ab exercises. I'll show you. It's this, but I've discovered a way to use this so that anybody can use it. Or that, yes. So we're going to talk from seniors to beginners to advanced exercises that's going to really work the abs.
The Pillsbury Doughboy.
Yeah, the doughboy is definitely going to get his workout, her workout. Yeah, it's a nice wall. I think it's maple too, Bob. It's nice.
Yeah.
Whatever. We'll be back.
Bob and Brad, the two most famous physical therapists on the internet.
Okay, I'm going to break this into three parts. First of all, we're going to start with the more advanced, the exercises that need to be done on the floor. Then I'm going to show exercises that are going to be done more for beginners, or the seniors, where you can do it standing, very safe and easy to do. So if you're a senior or a beginner, you can fast forward later on in the video, just a couple minutes. We're going to start out with the little more advanced
ab wheel.
Ab wheel. Thanks, Bob. I just use a cushion here, use a pillow, whatever you want. If you got soft carpet, you may not need it. It's only because my knees on this tight carpet hurt. So on this, you simply go out like this. And the reason I hate this one, because I get to hear two things. It kind of hurts my back with spondylolisthesis, and I can't go out any farther, and I don't feel confident with it. However, if you happen to have a loop band, they call these a pull-up bands, for a reason I don't quite understand, but whatever. These large loop bands really make this nice. This is exciting for me. I'm going to add this to my repertoire this winter.
Very cool.
So put it around your foot like that. You should have shoes on, and then wrap it around again. You don't have to do that. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute, but that works a little better. And on your knees, put this around one side on the handle, okay? And now watch how far I can go out with very good control. And I exercise all the fibers and the muscles. I can go way out to here, and I can hold it.
Very clever, man.
Oh, it works very nice. Now, if you do this, and it's still not enough, simply go to the next size band, or put two bands on. I'll go to the next size here. The black one's a little more resistance. Wrap it around. It's easy to do. Put it around the handle there, and whoa.
Yeah.
Now, the first time I did this, I did 2 sets of 10. I went way out to here, and it felt so good. The next day,
You paid.
I paid the fibers in my upper over there, yeah.
Abdominal.
Yeah, those abdominal muscles, which have never been sore. They're usually down here. These fibers got sore the next day, so we're working different fibers. It's a great option. And as you get stronger, you can simply eliminate the bands. And I don't think I will, because
They work so well.
it works. I'm sure I'm going to have plenty resistance with using the bands. Okay, let's go on to the simpler exercises for the beginners. All right, now the next exercise is a little easier. We're actually going to use the wall for the hand roller, or what do you call it? The wheel.
Ab wheel.
Ab wheel. And here you can simply go to the kitchen.
A rolling pin.
Yep, and maybe have a rolling pin. Make sure you have the ones that rotate here. Actually, we have one it's all one piece and it doesn't work. So you have to have the ones with the handles pivot. If you're going to try this because you have it available and you don't need to buy one, you simply up against the wall, bring your feet about 1 to 2 feet away. The farther away, the more difficult, but it's key and important. You tighten your abs up now, and you keep them tight, and keep your back straight as you roll up and back. So you can start here to begin and just do simple like this, especially if you have shoulder problems, and going up like that is painful in your shoulder, which a number of seniors may have that issue. So you work it here, and you work it like that. If you have the ab wheel, it does work a little nicer with a bigger wheel, but again, not necessary. And work it up there. And again, we're probably going to look at 10 to 20 repetitions, starting out with 10. Make sure you feel good the next day. You have sore muscles, that's okay. Just wait another day. The other thing that works, if that's going to be a problem, and the easiest way to work this is simply go to your cupboard. Okay, now for the beginners, the seniors, the people who want to keep safe and are concerned about having a problem, because if you do this on a table and you go forward and you get so far and your muscles are too weak to get you back up, you could actually end up in a dangerous situation. So go up to the cupboard where there's a backsplash or the wall. We don't have a cupboard here. The counter, yep. You're going to go up, tighten the stomach muscles again, keep your back straight. Put weight into here. I would recommend not doing it while you're making bread or cookies. We're going to do it just on the countertop. Go forward, and when you hit the wall, that's as far as you can go, and that's as far as you want to go, so you can come back. Because going out and coming back, now you can see what I'm doing with my back. This is the easy way to do it. Now to do it right, more difficult, feet away and keep your body straight and back. So you go this way to start out with, and as you get stronger, lean into it this
both
way.
are fine.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. And you'll find out whichever way makes your stomach work more is making your stomach work more and working those abs. 10 to 15 reps. Keep it handy every day before you make your coffee. 10 reps of ab work, and it's going to make a nice difference on your core strength.
And you keep your husband in line.
Yeah. Well, you know, yeah. Anyways,
No violence.
we don't want to go there. Good luck with those abs.